In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use MSI Afterburner to control fan speed. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which graphics card you have, which specs you have on your computer, CPU, and so on, you will be able to change the fan speed using MSI Afterburner. This feature is available in most versions, including of course the recent ones, in any design, and all that you have to do is download it from the official page here. Once you have MSI Afterburner, usually there will be a specific category for fan speed, so in this layout, which seems to be the default, you will find it here. The important thing is that you have to disable auto mode. So if you notice that you cannot change this fan speed meter here, what you have to do is disable auto mode. So look for an auto icon or something with an A. Make sure that this is disabled, because if it is enabled, the fan speed control will be done automatically. After you disable this, now you are free to change this around, so you just control it to the left or the right, or you change this value here from 0 all the way up to 100. Of course, you shouldn't set it to 0 actually, but you can lower the fan speed if you would like to reduce noise. The higher you go, the more fan speed you will have, but in contrast, there is going to be a lot more noise from your fans and a lot more energy. And of course, if you go lower, it is going to be less effective, so the temperatures might be a little bit higher, but the noise is going to be much less. You have to find a sweet spot, or if you don't care about noise, then of course you could theoretically just go all the way up. Besides this, you have plenty of other options like the fan power limit and temperature limit, but I'm not going to go into too much detail about all of them. The fan speed seems to be one of the most popular features, but you can also use MSI Afterburner to safely overclock your system. I hope I was able to help you on how to use MSI Afterburner to control fan speed. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.